Welcome to this video tutorial where we will guide you through the process of creating a crosstab in the List and Label Report Designer. Crosstabs are an essential tool for analyzing and presenting data from various dimensions. Let's go ahead and explore the step-by-step process together. First, navigate to the Objects tool window. You can directly insert a crosstab by selecting the crosstab object and then drawing it to your desired size. After dragging the crosstab into your report, you'll be prompted to choose a data source. This choice is crucial as it determines the structure and content of your crosstab. For our example, let's select a structure that gives us customer countries, order dates, and turnover details. Now let's define the groupings for the rows and columns. To add a row grouping, click on Insert a Row Grouping, and use the formula wizard to enter the field or expression for the grouping. In this example, we will use the customer country as the grouping criterion. Next, we will add a column grouping by clicking on Insert a Column Grouping. For the column grouping, we will choose order date and group it by year. Determine what data will be shown at the intersections of the row and column groupings by clicking on Result cells. For example, you can choose to display the sum of sales values as an aggregate function. To do this, simply select Sum as the desired aggregate function. Then open the formula wizard and multiply the quantity from the order details table by the unit price using the formula order details quantity times order details unit price. You can also explore additional functions like CrosstabTotal or CrosstabValue for customized calculations and display options within your crosstab. Next, adjust the appearance and sorting of data within your crosstab cells. This includes formatting options and defining how data is displayed. Simply click in the cell you want to adjust, like heading, and customize it. Finally, set the layout properties to define the overall look and feel of your crosstab. For example, you can specify the wrapping behavior for rows and columns to ensure your crosstab remains readable, regardless of its size. Moreover, you can switch between the preview and drag and drop interfaces. The drag and drop interface is very intuitive. We will use it to add additional groupings for a more complex analysis. For instance, consider utilizing the customer ID variable to obtain a comprehensive breakdown of the data based on country and customer. Simply drag the variable into the workspace and position it as desired. Additionally, for the date, you can opt for the order date by quarter function to obtain a more detailed and granular breakdown. And that's it. You've successfully created a crosstab in List and Label. With these steps, you can effectively analyze and present your data. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more list and label tutorials. Happy reporting!